Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with escrow.com for secure earnest money handling, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with escrow.com for secure earnest money handling, start by visiting their official website. Explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the offered services. Locate the Get Started or Open Escrow button prominently displayed on the site. Click on the button to initiate the process of setting up an escrow account. Fill in the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've entered your details, submit the registration form. Check your email for a confirmation message from escrow.com. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log into your new escrow.com account. Navigate to the escrow transaction section on the dashboard. Choose the option for purchasing or securing earnest money. Enter essential details about the transaction, including the purchase price and deposit amount. Provide the buyer's and seller's information as requested. Review the terms of the escrow agreement carefully. Confirm all details are accurate before moving forward. Once confirmed, submit the details to initiate the escrow transaction. Escrow.com will create an escrow agreement for all parties to review and sign. After everyone signs the agreement, you will receive instructions on how to fund the escrow account. Follow these instructions to securely transfer the earnest money. Once the funds are deposited, escrow.com will hold the money until the transaction closes. Monitor the transaction progress through your account dashboard. Remain in communication with all parties involved for any updates or necessary actions. Once the transaction is complete, ensure any final documents are submitted. Finally, confirm that the earnest money is disbursed according to the agreement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.